Hi, this is Rest. In this video, I will show you how to make applesauce and how to preserve it. I picked some apples. On the way going home. Wash the apples. Peel the apples. Remove the seeds. Slice it into small cubes. After slicing, put it in a pot, add apple juice. I used apple, strawberry, and blueberry juice. I also add 4 packs of vanilla sugar. And cinnamon powder. Cook it in a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's already soft, add a little lemon juice. Mash it with potato masher. Until it reaches the right consistency. Transfer it to sterilized jars. Clean the jars and cover. Place the jars in a pot, add water, cover, and cook it in a low heat for 30 minutes. When it's already done, remove the jars in a pot. Cover it with a cloth and leave it for 24 to 36 hours. When it's already cooled down, store it in a dark, cool, and dry place, and it will last for 1 year. And that's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.